Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure to welcome the man who has changed the political and business landscape in the world. He has gained a lot of global attention and sparked a conversation in the entire world. So, please join me in welcoming the 45th US President, Mr. Donald Trump. Hello, sir, how are you?
I am fine. Hello, how are you?
I'm also good. So, sir, I'm really excited to be interviewing you and seeing the 45th president just in front of me, sitting in front of me. It's a great pleasure. So, sir, my first question to you is, why did you want to become the president of America again?
I wanted to make my country great, and my country name should be in whole world.
Yes, definitely. America is one of the most established and developed nation in the entire world, and we
Yeah.
really appreciate your hard work. What's the most important job of a president according to you?
We have to make big decisions, and we have to ask it to leaders of our country, and that's our big job.
Yes, definitely. A president has to do a lot of things. His plate is completely full with a lot of business and political issues and
Yeah.
works. How do you make big decisions?
Uh, if I want to make big decisions, I generally go to big persons of my country, big scientists,
Yes.
and that all.
And Senate is something where you take the decision
Yeah.
jointly. Okay. So what's your favorite thing about being a president?
My favorite thing is to make big decisions, to do hard work for country.
And to uplift the country.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, definitely. How do you work with other countries?
If I want to work with other countries, I generally talk to people, to leaders of other countries. I make deals and I keep peace in that.
Yes. Keeping peace is something which America is known for, because a lot of times in many other countries the quarrels, the controversies are there, but America is always a diplomatic country.
Yeah.
What's the biggest challenge you've ever faced in your life as a president?
I have taken the big decisions, and there was a bomb blast
Yeah.
in New York once. That was the biggest decision for me.
So what decision did you take?
I needed some weapons that time, and I was not having any weapon. I was having less weapons for my country, and my country is so big.
Yeah.
So I needed to take help from another countries.
Yes. So this is the biggest decision you've ever taken.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you stay in touch with all the American people?
I generally give speeches. I use social media,
Yes.
and I go in public places and all.
For your rallies and everything, for
Yeah.
your speeches. Yeah, social media is a big platform that can be used, to address the people of our
Yeah,
country.
you are right.
Okay. What's your favorite food, sir?
I love hamburgers and ice creams.
Yes, definitely. And have you ever been to India earlier?
Yeah, I have once.
So, which food did you like here?
I loved
Uh,
Yes.
if you don't remember the name,
Yeah, I didn't
I
remember
remember that
it.
you once said that you loved paneer tikka a lot.
Yeah.
That made up of cottage cheese and something.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah, yeah.
You're right.
Okay. So, how do you relax when you're stressed?
When I am stressed, I spend my time with my family. I play golf and I read books.
Okay, okay. That's really nice. You do meditation as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's this is gonna be my last question to you. What's gonna be your message to the kids around the world?
they should be hardworking, they should be patientful, and
Patient. Yes.
they should be peaceful also.
Yes, and they should always focus on their careers.
Yeah.
And spend a lot of time on their
They
studies,
should
and
they should spend their time in their dreams.
yes, they should run behind their ambitions
Yeah.
and just try to gain them anywhere. Okay, so sir, it was really nice talking to you, and it was my pleasure being with you. The 45th president, I just cannot, I need to touch myself, I need to pinch myself that I'm sitting with you right now. But definitely it was a really interesting talk with you I had. So sir, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.